So in the count of one, tuhesabie. Okay, hello and good afternoon. Right now, as you can see, I'm live on air with one-on-one with Bwana Osei Tutu, as he is known. Bwana Osei Tutu, yes. Welcome to this interview.
Thank you so much, Waita.
Why Osei Tutu?
Osei Tutu is a political name. More especially when I will get time, I'll have to explain. But for now,
yeah,
Osei Tutu, it is associated well with politics. That's for now.
And maybe would you mind telling us your official names?
I don't mind. My official names are James Obara Nyabera. Yes, I'm a third year student taking political science and public administration at Masai Mara University. Thank you.
Okay. Siasa si mambo ya kanisa. Bwana Osei Tutu ulisikika mara nyingi ukiweza kuquote msemo huo. Ina maana gani?
Basically, politics, you can't engage in politics in a godly ways. That's why I used to say, siasa si kazi ya kanisa. And immediately you introduce God in politics, then it's not strategically fit for a political win.
Now, why politics? Why did you choose to engage yourself in politics?
Firstly, I'm born a politician. I have engaged in several activities matters to do with politics since I was in primary, high school, and currently in university. I'm taking a political science course, so that's why the politics, it is in me. Yes.
In Marau politics, just the ones I've just passed few days.
Yes.
How are you there?
I was one of the elders, the head of elders in the Fire Coalition. Freedom for freedom.
Freedom. Yanda.
Freedom Yonder Alliance. Yes.
Wow. Bwana Osei Tutu.
Yes.
Under Fire Coalition.
Yes.
It came to a point that we used to hear, and allow me not to reveal the sources of information I got the information from, that you as Osei Tutu, you are part of Gusii team, and Gusii were vying for a presidential seat, that is under Victor Mitema. Then one time it came to our ears that the Gusii are dropping the presidential seat. Maybe can you tell us more about it?
I think I can address those rumors. At some point, the coalition decided it's unfit to go with the candidature of Victor Mitema.
Exactly.
So, as part of Gusii elders, we fought it. And actually, power is not given, power is taken. We actually took that seat. And as I speak today, Victor Mitema is the current President Masai Mara University after being sworn in 3 days ago.
You have quoted that power is not given, is taken. Maybe as Gusii people, how did you take power?
If you will give me much time to explain, I'll explain it. But it happened to a state that we were, the seat was being taken by force. And as the Gusii team, we decided no, this won't happen to our house. And as a politician, I know power is not given. We decided to arrange some goods and some fishy activities that led to the coalition surrendering the seat to us. And that's why I can say power is not given, power is taken. Yes.
They say that in politics, you must shed tears. Maybe in your experience during this election, in any of the occasion, have you ever shed tears because of politics?
Yes, actually I have.
Why? And what happened?
This time, I think this politics was politics of betrayal. The same guys who supported Mitema presidential bid, they are coming to say that Victor Mutema is unfit for that position. So we had to fight. We had to shed tears to secure that seat. Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yes.
The coming of Nandi to Power Coalition. I mean, sorry, to Fire Coalition. Maybe, what can you say about it?
It was a good move, but it challenged the coalition because they had to bring more chaos, as they wanted the presidency seat, and as earlier before, the seat was already given to Gusii.
Yeah.
So it destabilized the coalition. Yes.
Okay. On date 10, that is on last Tuesday, after the voting and counting of votes, that is for delegates, it came to our known that Power led with 22 votes, Fire with the 21 votes. Then an independent aspirant, that is Mohammed, he had 5 votes. I mean 5 delegates, sorry.
Yes.
Do you think Fire could have won?
Yes. Fire won with a good margin. Because men out of the 22 delegates of Power, 3 of them they were of the Fire coalition. They were just kidnapped.
Yeah.
Na wakafichwa mahali. So I cannot ignore the win.
Yeah.
Fire won.
Fire won.
Yes.
Okay, let assume Moa didn't join Fire, and maybe he remained in Power. What could be the fate of Fire as we are speaking right now?
Fire could have won still.
Why?
Because if it was not written that letter of disowning, it was not to go extra miles to find his victory. So I think if he remained in Power as their Secretary General, he will actually lose with Power. Yes.
Fate. Do you believe fate applies in politics?
No, I don't believe. You go for it, you take it. Yes.
Interesting. And maybe my final question. What did you learn during the political period?
This was the most dangerous politics I have ever experienced in my life. Since it was the politics of petrol in both sides, the candidates were being struck, meaning there was no clear sign that this aspirant is going for this seat. There was much disrespect served for some communities, minor communities like Coast. And I think it's the right time the minority community to be respected, as Coast had proven it in this politics. Thank you so much. God bless you.
And maybe to conclude with, what is your message maybe to the Fire followers or supporters, as well to the opposition side of the Power?
Thank you, Waita. I would like to thank very much for Fire Coalition supporters who stood with us to fight the cartels. Thank you so much, comrades, because you chose the Fire Coalition. It's the coalition that your interest. It's the coalition that will represent your interest in this score. Finally, the Fire Council, the Fire Student Governing Council, I think I would like to request them to do the very best for the comrades and to serve comrades as they deserve. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Well, thank you for that, Mr. Osei Tutu. And to our viewers, that has been the segments of Osei Tutu, one of the key political figures here in Masai Mara University. Stay tuned. I'll be bringing more to you. My name is Alex White, and this is White Rose Media. Jana imejaribu. Jana amejaribu bwana.